program in Rochester. And in that clinic, we offer consultations for a general integrative medicine consult, herbs and supplements, stress management, acupuncture, and massage. And so as you guys are aware, more and more of our patients are using integrative medicine. If you look at our 2012 National Health Interview Survey, approximately 35% of US adults are utilizing some form of integrative medicine. And if you look at kids, 12%. So, more patients are using it, and they'll probably be asking us about it as well. So in the next 50 minutes, I will try to provide more of an overview of what acupuncture is and how things have kind of evolved and where things are now. I have nothing to disclose. So, learning objectives. Overview of acupuncture, and what that means is we'll talk a little bit about the background and the history of acupuncture. Also discuss some of the concepts and terminologies that are commonly used. And proposed mechanism, and this is where we have some ideas on how acupuncture may work. There isn't one single mechanism that explains everything, but there are some theories. And then we'll start to look at some of the evidence of acupuncture for its efficacy in current literature. Lastly, what type of acupuncture updates are there? Some of the stuff that I'll share with you guys at the end will be pretty intriguing, and hopefully we can find more use for acupuncture in the future with it. So, no one really knows exactly when acupuncture began. Some say that it's 4,000 years old or even longer. But the legend has it, I want you guys to read this caption. It says, thank you, my enemy. I'm very grateful to you for shooting me in my leg. You've cured my frozen shoulder. So the story is this. Let's say 4,000 years ago, there's this really famous warrior in China, and he had a problem with the frozen shoulder. Went to all the doctors nearby, and despite all of those visits, no one could really help him until one day in battle, an arrow comes flying and hits him in his leg. And then luckily he survives, goes back home, and then realizes that his frozen shoulder is much better. And that's how kind of like the legend grows. But at the same time, it's interesting because even if you look at the Amazon, the indigenous tribes in Amazon with the blowguns, and it wasn't uncommon to use non-poisonous darts to try to puncture one part of the body to try to remedy something that was not right. Even if you look at ancient Egypt, you see things that are very similar to acupuncture where certain body parts are being punctured. So even several thousand years back, this